Welcome to my channel Old Gold Coins today. Videos is one you won't to miss. We're diving into the world of coins. So let's get it started. The coin shown in the image is a 2004 Elizabeth II British penny. It is part of the standard coinage of the United Kingdom and features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, front side. The inscription around the portrait reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 2004, which is an abbreviated form of the Latin phrase De Gratia Regina Fide Defensatrix, translating to By the Grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. This is a traditional title used for British monarchs. The portrait was designed by Ian Rank Broadley, whose initials IRB are typically found beneath the portrait, though not clearly visible in this image. This portrait was introduced in 1998 and remained on the penny until 2015. Queen Elizabeth II is depicted wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, which is one of her well-known crowns. While the reverse is not visible in the image, the standard design for a 2004 penny typically features the portcullis with chains, an ancient symbol associated with the Palace of Westminster, accompanied by the denomination 1 penny and the word 1 above the portcullis. The reverse was designed by Christopher Ironside. Material: copper-plated steel, since 1992. Earlier pennies were bronze. Weight: approximately 3.56 grams. Diameter: 20.3 mm. Thickness: 1.65 mm. Edge: plain, smooth without any ridges. The 2004 British penny is part of the decimal coinage system introduced in 1971, replacing the old pre-decimal system. Pennies are widely used in everyday transactions in the UK, although there have been discussions in recent years about phasing out the 1p and 2p coins due to their low purchasing power. Most 2004 pennies are not considered rare, as millions were minted for circulation. Their value typically remains at face value, unless they are in uncirculated or proof condition, or part of a special minting. However, some collectors look for unique errors or minting mistakes, which can increase the value. The 2004 Elizabeth II British penny is a standard coin with historical significance, symbolizing both the British monarchy and the country's rich tradition in coin minting. Its design is classic, with the familiar portrait of the late Queen Elizabeth II and the symbolic portcullis on the reverse, reflecting British heritage. Would you like me to write this information in a 10-minute detailed paragraph form as you requested?